We covered a lot of ground here, from agent responsibilities to the standard provisions for group life insurance. We also looked at unfair methods of competition and went through each of the prohibited practices in Florida. Knowing what is and isn't allowed will benefit you and your clients and help you to maintain their trust. The insurance industry is built on this foundation. Your clients rely on you to recommend the appropriate coverage for their situation, or a replacement policy that better meets their needs. When they have a policy, your clients must believe the carrier will follow through and pay benefits to their beneficiaries. To maintain the confidence of your clients, never compromise your ethics. Acting unethically will break your client's trust and impact the reputation of the insurance industry as a whole. It can also open you up to significant penalties. With that, we'll end our course. Thank you for choosing At Your Pace Online, and we wish you the best in your new career.